Hi guys, and we're going to eat our pizzas, and yeah, they look disgusting. Disgusting.
Look, so this is my
You
one.
can't turn it round.
This is my piece of pizza that I'm going to have. And then this is all Lilia's.
Wait,
So-
that's mine.
Right, so we're going to eat our pizza now because this is part of the challenge, basically, practically.
I want pizza, just like normal pizza. Why can't you guys give me that?
How?
I'm trying the brown sauce.
Right.
Okay, 3. It's my drink. I need that.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Right, ready? Not too bad. Mine's not too bad.
Get out my mouth.
Well, it's actually not that bad.
Look at you. Ew. No, just no, honey, no.